We are back to traveling. We haven't made any YouTube videos in a long time. That's because I had tore my Achilles 3 months ago, so that kind of sidelined us. But we are here in Brazil, in Rio de Janeiro, and this is our first day. And we are actually gonna do a helicopter tour with the doors off, and it's something that we've never done before that we've always wanted to do. I found this company on Instagram called Vertical Rio, and we paid about $545 for Gabby and myself. Once we get over there, they're gonna strap us in, they're gonna put us into these harnesses that are gonna have us super secure, super safe, so that we can dangle our feet and our legs. And it should be a really fun time, and yeah, we'll see you out on the helipad. That was incredible. One of the most insane, fun activities that we have ever done in our lives. We've been skydiving before, and that is #1 for us. This is 1A. It's just as good. Highly recommend doing it. Go with Vertical Rio because out of all the options that we found, is one of the cheapest, like $545 for both of us. We got to sit on the edge. We got the shoe selfie pass too, which is just a little additional, but it guarantees that you are gonna sit on the side of the aircraft where you can dangle your feet out. But as always, if you found this video useful or helpful or entertaining in any sort of way, please do us a favor and click on the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.